Hey guys, so quick video. If you can crossplay Warzone mobile, I mean there isn't a no cross-platform gaming. You can only play with them if they're on the mobile as well. So if they don't have if they're mobile, you can play with Warzone mobile. But then unfortunately not, but this need to be added because it's not going to work if you have, let's say, PC and Warzone mobile. So I just want to make this like quick and effective video for you on what you can do and how it actually works. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching.